Alright, so this is going to be a Costco sale item review of the original Poppers brand cream cheese jalapenos. Alright, so price of this, normally $10.89. It was $4 off, so that makes it basically $6.89. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look. 42 to 52 count. I guess that they don't have an exact amount. Right, mild jalapeno stuffed with cream cheese and a crispy breading. Okay, net weight 52 ounces, 3 pounds 4 ounces, or 1.47 kilograms. Okay, keep frozen, cook thoroughly. Here you go. Here are the nutrition facts. 15 servings per container, 3 pieces per serving, 260 calories, 16 grams fat, 20%, 6 grams saturated fat, 31%, 0.5 grams trans fat, 25 milligrams of cholesterol, 9%, sodium, 530 milligrams, 23%, carbs, 25 grams, 9%, 1 gram fiber, 5%, 2 grams sugar, which includes less than 1 grams added sugar, 1%, 5 grams protein, 30 milligrams of calcium, 2%, 0.4 milligrams of iron, 2%. Ingredients are cream cheese made from pasteurized milk and cream, salt, carabine gum, and cheese culture. Then there's jalapeno peppers, which contains water, acetic acid, salt, calcium chloride, sodium benzoate as a preservative. And then there's wheat flour, water, bleached wheat flour, soybean oil, modified food starch, contains less than 2% of salt, sugar, annatto extract for color, caramel color, oleo resin, paprika for color, yeast, yellow corn flour, dextrose, dried garlic, dried onion, egg whites, leavening, which is sodium acid pyrophosphate, sodium bicarbonate, and monocalcium phosphate. And then there's non-fat dry milk, sodium alginate, and spice extract and spices. All right, contains milk, wheat, and eggs. So if you're allergic to those, then be careful. All right, there's more food for information if you scan that QR code. What else we got? Same stuff there, same stuff there. Obviously, you have the UPC code. This was purchased on October 21st, 2023, and it's good until August 9th, 2023. Wait, what? Oh, Best Buy. Sorry, I guess it was produced on August 2023, and it's Best Buy November 1st, 2024. So a little over a year. Okay. And what else we got? Cooking instructions, hopefully. Okay. Bring home the fun. What you're holding is the delicious bite-sized snack you pop in the oven, then pop in your mouth. Bring home the fun and let Poppers snacks turn movie night, watching the big game, afternoon snacking, or just hanging with your friends into a blowout party. But beware, your veggie tray will get jealous. Easy preparation. Here you go. For best quality and food safety, follow these preparation instructions. Keep frozen, cook thoroughly, use caution as product will be hot. Follow cooking instructions to make sure product has reached 165 degrees Fahrenheit as measured by a food thermometer. Appliance temperatures will vary. Please consider the performance of your appliance when following these instructions. Do not prepare in toaster oven. I wonder if I could air fry it. I mean, isn't it just jalapenos and cream cheese? That's kind of weird that they would tell you have to cook it to a certain temperature inside, unless it's just for the texture. Alright, I don't have a deep fryer, so we're going to oven bake it, but you can deep fry it. Preheat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then remove the frozen jalapenos from package. Fry them for 3 minutes, and shake and fry for an additional 3 minutes. Let stand for 1 minute before serving. Alright, then there's the oven instructions. You can preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove half of the frozen jalapenos. What? I'm not going to cook half of them. Arrange in a single layer on a baking sheet so jalapenos are not touching. Bake for 9 minutes. Turn jalapenos and bake for an additional 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Let stand for 1 minute before serving. Geez, so you have to cook this for close to 20 minutes. Alright, anyways, I don't see any specific way to open this, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull the thing up from here. Okay. And, okay, I guess this doesn't open easily, but there we go. Okay, get this out. Alright, and I guess it's all in one bag, so it looks like that. Alright, I thought these were going to be more jalapeno shaped, but as you can see, they're like chicken nugget shaped. Interesting. Alright, so I'm gonna preheat the oven, and then I'm also gonna try air frying some, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so we got 2 of them in there, going for 9 minutes. After that, we'll flip it over and go for 8.5 minutes. Alright, so I got 2 of them in there, 6 minutes at 360. One thing I didn't mention, the bag here does have the best by date. It's not a Ziploc bag, so I'm going to see if it can fit in a gallon Ziploc bag. Okay, and yes, it fits perfectly in a gallon Ziploc bag. Alright, so about 3 minutes, I flipped them over. We'll let them finish, and then we'll see. I don't know. I'm assuming deep frying heats a lot more than air frying, so maybe I should add a little more time. Maybe I'll add another couple minutes. Alright, so total 8 minutes. Alright, so I flipped them over, put it for another 8:30, so I think that might be too long. I don't know. Let's see. Cancel this, bake again 450, start, and set the time down. Let's do 8 minutes now because it took a while to do this. Alright, and they already look pretty crispy there. Air fry ones are pretty much about done after the 8-minute mark. So I'm gonna pull them out, put them on a plate, and we'll give them a try. Alright, so here are the air fried ones. Obviously I'm gonna let them cool down because they're probably burning hot, but let me see if I get a knife and cut one open. Okay, hopefully I can cut it open with a butter knife. Oh, there you go. Look at that, it's super steaming hot. So yeah, I wouldn't just bite into that, you'd probably burn yourself. So I'll let it cool for a bit, and then we'll give it a try. Alright, so it said to let it sit for a minute. I'm pretty sure it's been longer than that, so let's give this a try. Okay, I just ate the cream cheese off there. And yeah, let's try this now. Air frying does work. Now let's try the one that hasn't been cut open. Hot. A minute's not long enough. Don't burn yourself with these. You can see it's still steaming. I would recommend breaking it in half before you bite into it. Alright, but yeah, pretty good. It's also not super spicy. It depends on your spice tolerance. My spice tolerance is pretty high. I would say these are maybe a little bit more spicy than hot Cheetos. But yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys when the oven ones are ready. Alright, so it's just about done. As you can see, one of them exploded. So that's not going to be fun. But anyways, let's turn this off. We'll pull it out. Oops. I'm going to move that box out of the way. We'll pull this out and we'll give them a try. Alright, let me put them on the plate. Alright, so here they are. We're going to let them sit a minute. Just like last time, since this one's already popped open, I'll just cut it in half. And we'll see. Okay, it seems more crispy. It's been cooking longer. But yeah, let me let it sit and then we'll give it a try. Alright, so I think it's been cooling long enough. Let's give it a try. This one turned more hard and crispy on the outside. Like it's harder to bite through. How about I describe the texture? It's a much harder coating. Burnt cream cheese. Cut this open. Make sure it's not burning hot. You can see some steam coming out. Flavor, basically what you would expect. Jalapeno flavor with some cream cheese. The breading doesn't really add much flavor, but it adds a nice texture crunch. Tastes like basically hard breaded toast crust on the outside. Not really a flavor to it. Hot. So there you have it. If you like cream cheese with jalapenos and a nice breaded crust, then you'll like these. Go give them a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.